Hello everyone, welcome to another shaky video. This is going to be a video on the basic blackout kit, tote, whatever you want to call it. It's part of the basic prepping series, and it's not about cool stuff like guns or the end of the world. It's about basic everyday preparedness. It's going to get you through basic everyday things. This is a blackout box. So inside it, and I haven't prepared it, this is just how I grabbed it. It's underneath the bed in my room, and everybody knows where it is. And I kind of, drill the kids, where's the blackout box, what's it for, type of thing. These aren't all my flashlights, but they're just ones that I don't use on an everyday basis, and they're just basic. They're not super uber tactical. That is actually from the dollar store. It's not bad. Again, this isn't for the end of the world. Just for a blackout, a storm, something like that. And once a month, I'm doing my once a month checks here. So I already checked all the rechargeable batteries. Oops, this one. So now I'm on to the blackout kit, and I thought I'd just bring you along. Not very bright, but this is a fun one. It's a little Halloween one, and the kids like that. It's something goofy. I don't have a lot of candles because candles cause fires, but they do have their place. This one I just took a jar, melted the bottom of the candle, stuck it in there, and it doesn't tip over as easy. These are touch lights. Everybody knows what they are. Still work. And that's my son, if you can hear him freaking out in the hallway. Well, that one's still good. Anyway, you can see that I'm just going through here. These are super duper. It's like $4 at Walmart. Very bright, and they float. And they just sit in there. This I got, oops, see? I need to redo that one. So just, once in a while checks. This thing I got here in Utah. Our thrift stores are run by the Mormons, and they're called DI. It's basically a thrift store. But you can find some pretty cool things in there sometimes. If you've ever seen Napoleon Dynamite, that store he bought that video that he learns to dance from, and that little sword, that was a DI. That's the one in Idaho. But anyway, it has a light. As you can see, it has the radio. Got a bigger light there. I don't know. I've used it once. It works pretty well. It takes D-sized batteries. But it was $5. So, just sits in there. Along with the touch lamps. I know it's not super cool, and we're not hunting the UN, and this is just everyday preparedness. And this is the kind of thing this might not save your life, but it'll make your life a lot easier in a disaster. The more things you can do to provide for yourself, the less of the chance of having to go to a Red Cross shelter at the local school, or just if you can prepare to do as many things on your own, you can be more self-sufficient now and in a disaster. So anyway, this is my blackout kit. Thanks for watching.